Recalling a function, recursion, versus using the while statement in Python. Okay, I know you can have a program keep running while a certain condition is true using the while statement. However, is it incorrect or bad practice to just recall the function in the else condition like below? It just seems like an easier, shorthand version of the while statement, but I haven't really seen a program executed like this in the Python tutorials.
To be totally honest, they both work, it just depends on your user case. Granted, you are more likely to hit recursion depth compared to something going wrong with while they both achieve similar results. Really, it's more simple and in my opinion slightly more Pythonic, in this specific case, to use a while loop. Why make it more complicated?
I wouldn't consider it bad practice unless you expect hundreds to thousands of recursive calls, or if memory management is important for your particular application. As stated in other answers, Python doesn't support tail recursion elimination, which means that a recursive call to the same function doesn't have to add a new stack frame to the stack. This avoids wasting unnecessary memory. For an interesting read about why Guido, the creator of Python, considers tail recursion elimination to be unPythonic, see this URL.
I suggest to use a while statement, because you will feel difficulties when the ask function become to have its upper limit to try to input and return the result value. To add these functionality, I modify this function such as Is that implementation so complicated and confusing? If the ask function is implemented using while statement, the modification is more simple. Just change while to 4 to set the loop with an upper limit and insert return statement.
Shorthand, you say? Compared to.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.